Be ready for the dictation. 3, 2, 1, start. The Uniform Civil Code is a set of laws that aim to create a uniform set of rules that govern personal matters such as marriage, divorce, inheritance, and adoption for all citizens, irrespective of their religion, caste, or gender. This concept has been a topic of debate in India for many years. The need for a uniform civil code arises from the fact that India is a diverse country with people belonging to different regions, castes, and cultures. As a result, different communities follow different personal laws that often contradict each other and create confusion and discrimination. Moreover, these personal laws often discriminate against women and other marginalized sections of society. Hence, the Uniform Civil Code aims to provide a common set of laws that would ensure equality and justice for all citizens. However, the concept of a uniform civil code has been a contentious issue with many religious and political groups opposing it on the grounds of preserving their cultural and religious identity. They argue that imposing a uniform civil code would infringe upon their fundamental rights to practice and propagate their religion. Moreover, they argue that a uniform civil code cannot be imposed without taking into account the social, cultural, and religious diversity of the country. Despite these objections, the Uniform Civil Code has its merits. For one, it would help eliminate the confusion and conflict arising from the application of different personal laws. Secondly, it would promote gender equality by eliminating discriminatory practices prevalent in personal laws. Moreover, it would help bring about a sense of national unity and integration by promoting a common set of laws that apply to all citizens irrespective of their religion, caste, or gender. In addition, the Uniform Civil Code would promote a secular and democratic society where individuals are not defined by their religious or cultural identity. It would help in building a progressive and modern society which is essential for the growth and development of the country. However, the implementation of a uniform civil code requires a careful balancing of various factors. The government needs to ensure that the code is not imposed in a way that infringes upon the rights and freedom of different communities. It needs to ensure that the code is formulated in consultation with all stakeholders and is based on the principles of equality, justice, and secularism. Moreover, it needs to ensure that the code is implemented in a gradual and phased manner, taking into account the social and cultural diversity of the country. In conclusion, the Uniform Civil Code is a crucial step towards building a progressive, modern, and secular society. It would help promote gender equality, eliminate discriminatory practices, and bring about a sense of national unity and integration. However, its implementation requires a careful balancing of various factors, and the government needs to ensure that the code is formulated and implemented in a way that respects the diversity of the country and promotes the principles of equality, justice, and secularism.